SS Standard 5, Lesson 6. The Democratic Republic of Congo. In the previous week, you learned the Democratic Republic of Congo, the relief, the climate, and flora and fauna. And today, let us learn economic resource of Congo. Economic resource of Congo. The Congo is the world's largest producer of cobalt ore. Cobalt. And cobalt, now it becoming very popular, and it is a precious mineral, very demand all over the world in the place of petroleum. So, Congo is the world's largest producer of cobalt ore and a major producer of copper and diamonds. Cadmium, gold, silver, zinc, manganese, tin, germanium, uranium, radium, bauxite, iron ore and coal are all found in plentiful supply in Congo. This makes mining a chief industry. Mining means extracting minerals. Extracting minerals. Mining. The water of River Congo is used to produce hydroelectricity. It is also exported to other countries. Farming is a major occupation. Large areas under forest have been cleared for farming. The main food crops cultivated are rice, maize and cassava. Cassava is a root crop. It is also found in our place. It is also called tapioca. Okay, that is a staple food of people of Congo. Many cash crops such as cocoa, coffee, tobacco, cotton, rubber and oil palm are also grown by farmers. And some cash crops are exported to other countries. The method of farming are traditional and primitive. Still, the method of farming is primitive type, means old type of farming. So as a result, the production is very less. Most of the countries are using the modern method of farming. But still, Congo have a primitive type of farming. Forestry, fishing and livestock rearing are other occupations. So, economic resource is ore. Next, people. The people belong to different cultural group, different culture, and different place have a different culture. In India, we have a different culture. We Malayalis have a different culture. Okay. The country is thinly populated, not thickly, thinly populated. Kerala is a thickly populated. Population means the number of people. Thinly populated, and most people live in scattered villages. The original inhabitants of Congo were pygmies. Pygmies. And they are short people, very low height, below 150 centimeter. The average height is 155, 160, 165, 170. It is found in India, most of the people. But pygmies are very short people, and they have a very few pygmies still live in Ituri forest in the northeast. About pygmies, listen. They live in huts and move about in search of food. They still lead a primitive life. The Bandus, remember that word, Bandus, constitute a major of the population. They are tall and have a curly hair, curly woolly hair means not straight or long. Okay, next, so that is people is over. And next is transport. The poor land transport system is one of the major problem of DRC, that is Congo. Because of the dense forest, climatic condition, it is difficult there. So the water transport is the most important means of travel in the country, because Congo River is there. It flows the entire country. So as a result, the water transport is the important. And air transport is becoming popular way to travel in this vast country. The country has more than 200 airports. So transport is over. And last, cities. Kinshasa is the capital and the largest city. And it is also an important commercial and industrial center. Lubumbashi is the main city in the mineral-rich region. And Matadi is a port city. Like Cochin is a port city. Matadi is a port city of Congo. So that much about the cities. Now assignment. In your textbook you can see words to remember. There you can see vegetation, canopy, cassava, forestry, infrastructure. You write toys in your notebook. In the notebook write second name and lesson 6 heading. Then write words to remember. And that is all of you must copy this to your notebook. Okay. Now other question answer and true or false and everything I will send you in your link by PDF. And also you must remember to read this lesson at least twice. Have a nice day.